I'm sure you have some followings who post multiple stories every day, and after a while, you don't see any stories on their page, and you start wondering if they have blocked you or actually, as Instagram calls it, hide you from seeing their stories. Today, I'm going to show you a way that you can figure out whether they have actually hidden you or not. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to see a person's story. Now, as you can see, this is my other account. It has a story and highlights. So let's say I view her story and I can see her highlights and everything. Now, if this person blocks me from seeing their story or actually hides me from seeing their story, there is one way I can tell. If I switch account and search for my other account, if I tap on these three dots, I can see this option that says hide your story. So if I refresh it, I mean, it doesn't really, it's not apparent here, but she is now hidden from seeing my stories. So if I switch back, and as you can see, this is my other profile, and I'm going to search for the profile I showed you at the beginning. And as you can see, I cannot see that story anymore. And as you can tell, there are no highlights. So that is usually the most apparent way that you can tell if somebody has hidden you from seeing their stories. If they had any highlights on their page, you won't be able to see the highlights anymore. But let's say that person doesn't have any highlights. So there is one thing you can do, which is not quite a good way. If that page is public, like this one right now, it is public, and you can tell by tapping on one of their posts, and when you want to share it, you see that you can share that post to your story, or you can just share it with anyone you want. But if this is a private account, as I can show you right now, for example, my other account is private, so when somebody wants to share it, as you can see, there is no story option here. I cannot share it to my story, and that means that account is private. So if an account is public, obviously you can check their story using another Instagram account, and that way you will definitely know if they have been hiding you from their Instagram story or not. Hope this helps.